guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel. My name is Miss C. Today I will be unboxing a few items that I did receive from Cricut. Well, a few items that I did order from Cricut. They did have a sale, so I ordered a few of their items. I ordered the stylus tool, the scoring tool. The scoring stylus tool. That's what this is. Then I ordered the rotary blade. And this is to cut fabric. So I'll be doing a project with that in the future. And also I ordered a couple of pens. I ordered the pen and marker set in all black. Then I ordered the metallic markers. And the fine point pen set tapestry. That's what it says. And I ordered a whole lot of pens. I guess I want to make cards, huh? And then the gel pen. Ordered those. And more markers. So I ordered these because I have a set like this, but they are infusible ink, and this is just the regular markers, so that's why I ordered these. And then last but not least, I ordered the portable trimmer. This is the paper trimmer. And it has the ruler on it. The reason why I ordered this, I have a paper trimmer, but the reason why I ordered this one is because it has the ruler that swings out on the side. So that's why I ordered this one, because when I'm trying to measure the paper that I'm cutting or the cardstock, the vinyl, it's difficult to see what you're, you need another ruler on the side. So that's why I got this one. And that completes my order. I just want to come on really quickly just to say or show what I received from Cricut. And if you have any questions about the items that I have, I mean, I know most people already have these items, but I will be doing projects in the near future with these items, so you will get to see them in action. But if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and keep growing, glowing, and going. Thank you. See you in the next one.